Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to set your screen color back to like the normal look on your Android phone. So this could be because of a couple different things. So let's swipe down from the top right, go to settings right here. And let's first go to display and touch, and then we'll go to accessibilities. So let's go to here, scroll down, and there's some options under here. So the first one you might have on is night light, and this is changing it to like a reddish color right here. And we can just turn this off and the colors will go back to normal. And then we can go to where it says colors, and we have natural or adaptive. We can decide which one we want. And then we have color contrast. So I just have default selected. We have things like outline text or something like that. That could be changing your colors around. Now if you don't see the option on here, whatever you change isn't fixing it, you might want to back out and go to accessibilities on your phone. So let's find accessibilities way at the bottom, and there's something under here, color and motion. We can try going to here, and there is a color inversion or color correction. You might have color correction turned on, and this is usually for people who have color deficiencies. So you can have one of these on, like red, green, blue, yellow, or grayscale. So maybe if you're reading on your phone, grayscale wouldn't be such a bad option. And then you get the color shortcut, but just turn off color correction and you won't have an issue with that. So we can turn this off. And then we got color inversion. This is what color inversion is going to look like. And then we got the dark theme, reduce blur effects. I'm going to turn that on, and then that. So just look at those couple different options, and that should fix your screen from being weird. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.